Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you can see by the title, today is gonna be a really fun video. Why? Is because we are recreating Selena Gomez look at her now inspired makeup look. I absolutely love this makeup look and the way it came out. Of course, it took me some time to do it, I'm not gonna lie, but it's definitely worth it. So if you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. To start off, I'm gonna be prepping my skin with Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Next, I'm gonna be using this Face Tape foundation from Tarte Cosmetics. This is such a beautiful foundation. It's full coverage and it's just so amazing. I mean, if you try the Shape Tape concealer, this is not gonna disappoint you too, because it's also really good. And my shade is medium neutral. Normally I use one pump and it's more than enough, but for this video I will be using two pumps just because I will be using the beauty blenders, so it's gonna absorb a lot of the product, if you know what I mean. So two pumps, and I'm just gonna distribute this all over my face. For today's concealer, we will be using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in shade Light Beige. This is actually maybe like 3 shades lighter than I am. I do have another one which is a bit darker and it's like matching me perfectly on like daily basis, but this one I use it when I really want to kind of highlight. And yeah, today's video is very special, so we really want to highlight and we really want to make this makeup look bomb, because I mean, look at Selena, she looked absolutely stunning. So again, I'm taking my beauty blender, but now the pointy side, and I'm just gonna blend this concealer. As you can see, this concealer really brightens up underneath my eyes and I just love the effect that it gives me. Next, we will be using powder, and I will be using again Summer Kozumi compact powder just because I really love it. So here it is. I will be focusing more on my T-zone because this is where I want to kind of mattify, as we will be baking later on. So that's it with the powder. Now I will be taking this Sephora Flawless Face Palette. I really love this palette. I think this is so practical, especially for beginners. You have highlighters, you have a blusher, you have highlighting powder. It's basically the same like Fenty Beauty powder. You know, the banana powder is just the pressed one, but it's exactly the same. We will be using this today, so I'm gonna show you a bronzer and you have cream contour. So this is so nice. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this shade right here. I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes. Slightly on my forehead, on the bridge of the nose, cupids and chin, and this is it. Next, I will take the bronzer and I'm basically tapping because I want to deposit the color, and then with the fluffy brush we're gonna blend everything. I will be mixing these two shades right here. Okay, so now it's time for the baking, and it's my favorite part. We will be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder. It's the loose one, and all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender into the powder and we will apply this underneath my eyes. This will also protect underneath my eyes so I don't have any eyeshadow. So I mean, like, once I will remove the powder, everything will look nice and clean. You guys, it's getting so dark outside. I don't know what's happening in Dubai, but they're saying that it's gonna be raining for the next 3 days. We will see. So I'm really sorry if the lighting got kind of dark. But anyways, for today's eyeshadow palette, I will be using Too Faced Natural Lust. It's just because it has every single shade that I need. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna zoom in so you can guys see what I'm doing. I'm gonna mention all the names of the eyeshadows that I will be using, but I'm gonna make this a little bit faster, so yeah, so that this video is not gonna take forever. I'm not gonna lie, this eye makeup took me so long. It's actually so dark outside already, and I hope you was able to see on what I was doing. So now the next step is lashes, and I will be using Chelsea Boutique Mink lashes in number 10, as I think they are the perfect fit for this look, and I think it's very similar to what Selena was wearing. So I'm just gonna apply them very quickly and I will be back. Lashes are on, eyeliner is on, the last step is the mascara. I'm using Big Ego from Tarte Cosmetics, and I will apply this only on my lower lashes as I do have mascara already on my falsies. Now I just want to quickly touch up my face since the powder kind of like removed my blusher and my contour. So I'm just gonna go back and top up my bronzer right here. My blush. For my lips, I will be using MAC Cosmetics Halfway Lip Liner, and on top of that I will use Clarins Pink Sandy Lipstick. So Selena Gomez, she has really full lips. I'm gonna try to follow the lip shape that she has, and yep, wish me luck. Off the whole look, I will be using Clarins Refresh Beauty Mist. I will spray this all over my face. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I just keep staring at her picture and I think I passed the test. What do you guys think? I tried my best to make this makeup look as close as possible, and I think I did it. You let me know in the comments below. Also, do let me know which celebrities' makeup looks you want me to recreate in my future videos. I would be more than happy to film them for you. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos of me, and I will see you